Okay, Richa, you tell me about the character Guddu Bhaiya.
What I love about this character is also that he is very mercurial.
What happened? Hi. This
Hi.
is Nidhi. Hello.
Hi,
Welcome to
Nidhi.
Beauty Bites.
Thank you.
Since we are at a restaurant, tell me, what cuisine do you enjoy the most together?
I love Asian cuisine and he loves Italian.
So if you have to go for dinner, you go for Asian or Italian?
We manage. We go for Japanese and then we go for Italian.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me, has Ali ever cooked for you?
Oh yeah, plenty of times. He loves cooking. He's a great cook. He does a very nice pasta, lovely salads.
That doesn't come under good cooking. I mean, it does. Sorry to all the Italian foods, but
He
pasta is
bakes.
easy.
Pasta is not easy for everyone.
No, the sauces are tough, but people are very lazy, so they don't make the sauce. So that is something I think.
See what I mean? He's a
That
good
is-
cook.
Do you enjoy cooking?
No.
So what's the most beautiful thing about parenting together and beautiful?
split the work. I
Yeah.
like to think some of it. I know we guys can't do all of it and most of it.
No, you do a lot.
But,
you do your fair
um,
share.
Yeah, I try to keep up.
Yeah. What are
Yeah,
your
100%.
duties?
He,
Body cleaning, man.
the and a lot of the giggling and the laughing, he gets to do that.
Oh,
Mushroom baklava.
ooh,
Oi, oi.
Oh, the moment you say it, it suddenly becomes like, oh, Raj Sahab उठे हैं और उन्होंने दो चीजें कर ली.
No, I said he reads to the baby a lot, plays with her a lot. It's very organic and natural. We don't divide.
Right now, this is the best time because it is the most uncorrupted version of both of us.
Can you give me one more of these?
Yeah, it's really good.
Thanks.
You have ना तकल्लुफी में तुम छोड़ दियो. अरे तुम ले
अरे
लो.
तुम पहले आप.
No, I'm gonna have some of this.
You also have a cat.
2.
You have two cats.
Jugni and Didda.
Didda.
Richa, you tell me something that you secretly love about Ali. Secretly.
Secretly.
I mean, I openly love many things about him, but what I secretly love about him is that he's very family oriented in the sense that he preempts these needs, which initially I was quite surprised by, but now relaxed into it. It really feels good to be taken care of. Not in the way of like, my man is taking care of me, but just taking care of everyone around him in a nice, warm, protective, magnanimous way.
Yeah.
And if you have to mention something that you love about her secretly,
I love the way she takes care of the cats. It's the most nurturing ecosystem that I've seen in play. Sometimes even secretly from our staircase, when at night when everybody is asleep or she thinks we're asleep.
how
I
sweet.
see her doing this thing where nobody's watching, but she's like, trying to feed them, that injection thing which you could, sometimes they don't eat, so she'll
make
boil
healthy
chicken and
soup for
soup
them.
and kaddu and all these things because she's constantly this is battle to keep them off, processed
Processed food.
Yeah.
food. Sometimes they're not eating, and there's not one cat, two very different
Personality
personalities. So that is like I could watch that for hours.
Nice.
Yeah.
But I
No,
think this is key, no?
Yes.
Oh, not K.
Key.
Oh.
Key. Key like chabi.
Yes.
Okay, tell me one fun secret about him.
Fun secret? I mean, it's not a secret anymore. He's very childlike. And he loves time off to make his Legos and sit
Oh my
and
God,
make
you
a
can't talk
big
about all this stuff, yeah?
jigsaw puzzle. He will love it. Like if you sit down with him and do it.
But who
Daily.
doesn't? One second, who doesn't hate adulting?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Ali, if you have to tell me some fun secret about her.
चोटी बनाना नहीं बाल काटना डमशराट्स हिंदी
Receipts.
इंग्लिश
You keep
What?
receipts,
I keep receipts of.
everything. I saw that one folder. There's a whole.
Did you say it says for CA?
Yeah.
You know, I have an aunt who calls secret cigarette. तुम्हारा क्या सिगरेट है?
Any favorite spot you guys have in Bombay?
I
Oh.
love driving towards like Mount Mary and that whole stretch in
Yeah.
Bandstand. Just hanging out there, take a drive, or just like even late at night. It's fun.
Usually with her. So
Okay, Richa, you tell me about the character Guddu Bhaiya.
Oh, amazing! Good to me, yeah. Mushroom baklava. What I love, I mean, it's a very complex character to play. It's far too violent for me to. But as an actor, I can tell you that what I love about this character is also that he is very mercurial.
What happened?
Even
can't do that to me.
mercurial है
can't do that to me.
mercurial पे क्या गलत बोला? हाँ?
You know.
अच्छा ये था राजमा चावल.
Hey, hey. Yeah. I mean, thank you.
See, he's quickly googling what mercurial means.
Angrez
I thought-
Angrezi and Stephen sauce. You know, Saint Stephen's and all. Whatevs, yeah.
Okay, so that's what you like about Guddu Bhaiya.
No, I actually loved season 3 his portrayal of it. Several times I had to pause and look at the stuff he's done as an actor.
And your favorite, like, what do you think of the character Guddu Bhaiya?
Oh, I love the character. I wouldn't want to be him. I love playing Gudu. I think it's a world that I've been allowed to create.
And also, so many memes are there on Guddu Bhaiya. That's the even WhatsApp has those stickers and
Yeah, a lot.
a lot.
Yeah. Like a lot of my friends like talk to me like that, and it's really annoying, man. It's like, they'll be like, hey, I'm sending you to you.
Okay, so
I'm gonna take this, yeah.
small salad.
Lovely.
It's our first meal, guys. Do not judge us, okay?
Please go for it.
Beauty.
One more question for you, which is, tell us about Rule Breaker. How was it working with people? I watched Fleabag and I was like, wow, she really acts very well.
Well, I mean, she's essentially a writer actually and a great creator, wonderful actor, yeah. So, okay, Rule Breakers is based on a true story about Roya Mahboob, who began collecting the Afghanistan's first women's robotics team. She turned these wonderful young girls, picked them up, put them in the robotics team. And just as a means to literally get them out of Taliban rule, the team ended up winning the World Championships in Mexico, and then went on to win, other World Championships robotics. We're really excited. Angel Studios has come on board to distribute it, they did Sound of Freedom last year, which is a big hit. So we're gonna get a good audience.
Amazing.
Thanks, y'all.
Very proud of you.
Excited. Yeah, very proud.
Okay, we'll play a fun game. This one is for Ali. You want to do that?
You have nails, yeah.
Okay, Richa's favorite movie.
Favorite movie? Yeah, go for it. बोलो. नहीं पता. I love this.
No, I know this.
Calendar.
I know what it is.
Mr. India is my favorite film.
What?
Yeah, I love it.
Okay, your turn. His favorite city or country?
He loves London.
Oh, okay.
I think his spirit animal is the London tube system. Joking. No, he does. He loves the city and loves hills and cold weather.
Yeah.
Much more than the beach.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, her favorite spot in Mumbai.
It's right here, man. I know you know. I know. It's
He
in my
doesn't
heart,
know.
lady. It's in my heart.
तो ये acting कर रहा है मतलब इसको नहीं पता है.
Okay.
Home, I would say, or the beach.
I
She
really-
loves the beach. She loves the sea, the beach, running on the beach.
I love nature.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now your turn. His 3 a.m. buddy.
Nobody, because he has to wake up to be calling someone at 3 a.m. If Ali could have it his way, he'd be in bed by 10 p.m.
Yeah.
or 11.
Her guilty pleasure.
You heard that.
Guilty. Guilty.
Guilty pleasure.
Guilty pleasure. Mine. Don't you dare.
I want to know.
Halki si bhujia. है ना? With food or yeah, why not?
I like chips. Bhujia?
It's a version of chips.
Whatever.
You know, years later,
And
I
I
found
was
out once
sweet.
this one time she had. Is that what you're gonna say right now?
No, you
Oh.
can say. You want to say?
This
It
one
will
time
make
she
you
quit
look
chips
sweet.
for me. She told me so beautiful, so earnestly. She came to me, you know, very early in our relationship, and she said, "You know what? I hope you get better." Because I had this sinus thing, and for that, I'm gonna give up chips. So I'm standing on the other side, and I'm like, I mean, I was like, that's so
deranged
sweet,
person.
baby, but in my head I thought, why? Like, what's the angle? And years later now, you know, you slowly realize like there's this,
Sweet.
like, wow, that is something. Then it was like, okay, wow, what a sacrifice.
Her favorite drink, cocktail.
I don't know, pina colada. Let's just stick with that.
Pina colada.
Yeah. Okay, this is a question for both of you. Who is more likely to forget a special occasion?
That's me, man. That's me. I would,
Yeah.
yeah, I take that.
But yeah, that's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I have a
Now,
thing
now
against
also
like
very hung
birthdays.
up on like birthdays and anniversaries.
Yeah, it's just like
In fact, I'll show you. When is our anniversary, Ali?
I think we need to what?
Fix it. We need to lock a date.
Yeah.
We'll get back to you.
No, in my defense, in our defense, there are 3 dates. 4 dates actually. Yeah.
Okay, second question. Who is more likely to spoil Sunera with treats or toys?
Father.
Actually, no, it's her. It's gonna be you. It's gonna be you.
Stop it.
I see her going flat, mush.
No, of course, who's not
soft.
going to love their child? No, you're going to
no.
love a child
No, no.
that you created in
No,
your
you
belly
have
for
no
9
idea
months.
what's coming.
Did
Salam
you create
aane wala
it?
hai.
Shut up, please.
Okay, then it's you.
I think it's him who's doing the spoiling.
How do you guys unwind after a hectic work day?
We chat. We play the telly. Or you know,
Yeah, we'll
What do you
relax
do?
and
Yeah.
watch something nice. I'll be like, okay, let's watch a movie together or something. When the house is quiet, it's dark.
or we would randomly make a plan to go out and eat something. You know, like have a meal outside because we seldom go to
Out
meals
now.
outside. We're very like,
Ghar ghusra.
no. I mean in a good way, but like especially with meals, we are very particular about eating at home. So one-offs are, you know, when we really want to like just zone out, have a
Yeah.
nice meal outside, and I'll try and I don't know, book a table or something, or meet our friends. I mean, it's yeah.
Yeah.
So I've heard your proposal to Richa was spontaneous. Can you tell us how did you pull that off?
I mean, one of the first ones, you know, where I was courting her, I think I might have made a very spontaneous decision, which apparently fit just perfectly fine and wasn't rejected, and I was it was much appreciated
Yes.
later, and then of course I planned the elaborate proposal for marriage, which was much later.
And where
We
was
s-
this, the proper one?
It was.
We were on a holiday.
We were not. I planned that holiday in such a way because it was also a birthday and it was away from mainland. It was on an island, and you know I prepared a whole meal because it was her birthday. Her birthday was the best shield for it, and then boom. Our lives as actors, I think we already try to break the rhythms and break the try to be unpredictable in all the ways. I think this is the one place where I didn't mind being a little predictable once you know sort of.
No, it was hardly predictable. I wasn't expecting it. I thought eventually, but not just then.
And did you immediately said a yes to him?
Of course,
Yeah.
no brainer.
Okay, tell me if you could travel to any place right now in the world together, which place could you pick?
Together. Now there's 3 of
California.
us.
What?
Oh, what? I was going to say Iceland.
No, I figured like if there's a slim chance that we get a free ticket or something, then that's
No
the place
free
we should say
ticket.
because we have to go there for promotions.
Khud ka paisa ticket.
Okay, sorry.
Iceland and California. So I guess we'll go to both then. Oh, that the fun is like we love traveling and we love going to explore new areas. I loved our trip to Marrakesh in Morocco.
I was just going to say,